All right, good morning on this fine Sunday morning. Got another video. My pedal sensor went bad. I don't know if you guys have had that problem, but I have. It goes in and out where the light comes on the dash, and you lose power. It doesn't want to do anything, but it will go. It will get you where you need to go. So, like I said, mine came in and out. So I finally ordered the piece, or the pedal sensor is what they call it. And this is it. I got the one made by Mopar, so it shouldn't have any issues. So I'm going to try to install this morning and get this out the way so I won't have that problem no again, or not so soon. All right, let's get it. All right, excuse the dirty truck. Yeah, it's dirty. I haven't been able to get to it, working so much. Excuse the inside, working on a few things. That's filthy too. So, let me see. As you can see, I updated my pedals. Got a little foot resting spot. This really helps. I'm a short guy, 5'5", so that really helps. Along with this, came together in a set. Really enjoying those. So I need to get all the way up under here and get to that. All right, got me some light. Now let's see what kind of screws I'm gonna need. Oh, I'm sorry. What kind of tools I'm gonna need. Okay. Like this one right here. All right. All right, let me grab some tools. A couple sockets. Like one on that side. That's it. All right, looks like you're gonna need a 10-inch socket along with an extension to reach that. First, let me get that pedal off. All right, this is a tight spot to work in, but oh, we gotta make it happen. Find it better if I go through here under the steering column. Just pop that the cover that was on here. Just pop that off. I already had mine off because I was working on something else, so that's why I'm not showing that part. But the cover just pops off, and then you got these two screws. That up. Pop this off. As you can see in there. Oh yeah, and I have another hookup because I also have a Power Commander. This thing right here. Oh, this thing is awesome, y'all. If y'all don't have one for y'all Jeep, y'all need to get one. Increases the pedal response tremendously. And it has, well, I know I'm supposed to be changing this pedal sensor, but I'll show you this right quick. This Pedal Commander has 4, as you can see, Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. I just use the Sport, and then you also can increase it down here, 4 up or 4 down. Oh my God, I keep it on Sport. Oh, best thing I ever bought for this Jeep. Alright, just pull that red clip up. Oh, and just slide it out. Just slide it out. Pop the red clip up, slide it out. Alright. Oh, it's actually another screw at the top. Right at the top. See that? Right there. See what my finger at? Back there. Let's see what kind of. When I tell you, this screw is in the tightest spot you ever want to try to get in. Wow, it's all the way back here. And the daggone pedal is in the freaking way. Alright, that's the right socket. Good gracious. Alright, so looks like that little screw is going to be a number 8 socket. Alright, let's get it. Okay, finally got that last screw out. It was a 10mm. And I had to go get my little old Husky small ratchet to get to it because it is so tight up in there. I'm telling you. It is so freaking tight up in there. Alright. Slide. Got screws out. Slide it out. Boom. Boom. There she is. There she is. Good gracious. Oh. Alright. Let's pop the new one in. Like I said, I got the Mopar, so exactly. So shouldn't have any issues like sometimes you have with the aftermarkets. So let's get this started. Let's get the screws in. Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna start with this bottom screw first. And that'll hold it in place. And get this one back at the top. Oh my God, I hate this freaking, this screw is the worst. Oh, this location is the worst. Shit. There's gotta be a better way, y'all. But if it is, I haven't found it. But I got it back on there. Now let's go for the tightening. Excuse my ranting. Alright, got that one tight. Woo! Oh. Let's get the bottom one back on. It must be. Got it tight. Now to reinstall the wires. There we go. There we go. Got it back in. Oh. As I see, screw right there. And then screw back there. And then you wire. Oh, this is so simple. So simple, but so hard at the same time because you're working with limited space. Alright, got everything installed again, except my cover, because like I said, I'm still working on some stuff. Got everything back. Got everything replaced. Alright, let's start her up. Like I said, excuse the jump, but I'm working on some things. Let's start it up for 2 seconds. Shut it off for 10 seconds. I saw this online somewhere. I don't know how true it is, but here's to try it anyway. So 2 seconds start up, 10 second off. Yeah, buddy, she working. She working. Because no more engine light on. Yeah. 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 Pedal command, a must. It's a must, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Got it done. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone out there. Because there really I didn't see any videos on it as far as going in there, changing it, that pedal sensor. So, very easy to do. Just gotta be a little mechanically inclined. Thanks for watching, y'all.